Guys, I'm freaking out. I just moved to Germany and you won't believe what I saw at the supermarket. Eggs, just chilling on a shelf, not in the fridge. I'm like, whoa, hold up. Are these eggs planning a great escape? I start imagining them growing little legs and running away. So I grab a carton and I swear I hear tiny voices saying, Nein, nicht der Kühlschrank. I'm running home, cradling these eggs like they're newborns, whispering, don't worry, babies. America's coming to save you. Now I'm hiding them in my fridge feeling like some kind of egg smuggler. If you want more hilarious tales of an American losing his mind in Germany, check out Stuck in Deutschland. Trust me, it's excellent content.